Once upon a time, in the quiet town of Slumberville, where stars twinkled brighter than anywhere else, lived a curious little girl named Meera. Meera loved bedtime stories, not because she wanted to sleep, but because she wanted to explore the realms of her imagination. One evening, as the crescent moon hung like a sleepy eyelid in the sky, Meera found herself still wide awake. She tossed and turned, her mind full of questions. Why did people yawn when they were sleepy, she wondered. As the clock ticked closer to midnight, Meera decided to seek the answer herself. She tiptoed out of bed and crept towards the garden, just as the soft grass was glowing under the silver moonlight. "You seek the answer to yawning, don't you?" a voice gently boomed from behind the lilac bushes. Meera jumped and turned to find a peculiar creature staring at her with wide, friendly eyes. It had a big, fluffy face with ears like pillows and looked as if it were made of clouds. Its belly rose and fell gently as it let out long, slow yawns. "Who are you?" Meera asked, both curious and amazed. "I am the Yawn Monster," it chuckled. "And I teach little ones why they yawn when they're sleepy." Meera giggled. She had never heard of such an odd creature before. "Why do we yawn, Mr. Yawn Monster?" asked Meera, sitting cross-legged in front of him. The Yawn Monster took a deep breath and explained, "Yawning helps our bodies transition into a restful state. It tells us when it's time to wind down. When we yawn, fresh air fills our lungs, sending a signal to our brains that it's time to relax and prepare for sleep. So yawning is helpful," Meera exclaimed, feeling a wave of relief. "Indeed," purred the Yawn Monster. "And you're not alone in this. All living creatures yawn, even fish and birds." Meera listened intently, her eyes growing heavy as she learned. "You yawn more when you're sleepy because your mind and body need a break," continued the Yawn Monster. "It's nature's way of telling you to close your eyes and drift away into a land of dreams." As the Yawn Monster spoke, Meera felt the gentle pull to rest. With a long, satisfying yawn, her eyelids began to droop. "It's time for you to sleep now, dear Meera," the Yawn Monster advised warmly. "Remember, yawning is just nature's lullaby." Thanking the Yawn Monster and giving him a soft hug, she returned to her bed, feeling comforted by her newfound knowledge. Under the cozy blankets, Meera yawned one final time before slipping into slumber, knowing she was about to embark on wonderful, dream-filled adventures. And there, in Slumberville, with the moon smiling down upon her, Meera learned just why the world yawned. It was indeed nature's way of singing us to sleep.